It's Janelle with My Global Style. Today we're hanging out with Lorraine West, the creative force behind Tasha West Jewelry Designs. Let's check it out. We're here with Lorraine Natasha West from Tasha West Jewelry Designs. Welcome to My Global Style.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Lorraine has brought some wonderful things for us today, and I want to get a little background. How'd you get started in jewelry design?
Well, I got started in 1997 while I was studying illustration at Fashion Institute of Technology, and it started out as a hobby the first few months, and I started giving away some of my pieces to friends, and one day someone purchased, and from there I just got excited and been doing it ever since, yeah.
Who are some of the people that you've worked with?
I've worked with Erykah Badu, I've worked with Common and Raphael Saadiq, just to name a few.
Yes. All right, well, let's talk about some of the beautiful things that you've brought for us to see.
Great.
All right, we'll start with, this is the Shield collection?
Yes, it's the Shield collection. Basically, it's like a little fun spin on, you know, protecting yourself from people you just don't want to deal with. When they see the shields and they see the light reflect, they're not even going to bother you. But then also it could mean protecting your inner beauty.
So this is the earring for the club?
Yes, it's perfect for the club.
Got it.
Absolutely.
Well, what are some of the materials that you've used?
They come in 3 different metal colorways. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Crest Shield earrings. These are in sterling silver and they come in black faceted obsidian. The price point here is $138. Then the second shield earring is the Wing Shield. They're brass, a little bit of a longer design for someone with straight hair or a bobbed cut. The stones we have here is a faceted smoky quartz. And the third is the Crest earrings in the copper with carnelian.
Beautiful. All right, and these?
These are my nipple bangles. They're inspired by a woman's breasts.
Oh, wow. Nice.
The nurturing that a woman gives, you know, a woman gives birth, she feeds her child. Even if a woman doesn't have children, she's always birthing, recreating herself, and, you know, helping people in her community. They're a fun conversation piece. Men enjoy them as well. I designed them so they can be worn in combinations of 3, tricolor. The price point here for 3 pieces is $138. I'm very inspired by the ocean. My parents are from the Caribbean, so I love the scales on fish, I love rocks and shells, I love how the light reflects off of the metal. This collection is called the Assi. That same price point, $98, and it can easily match the Lariat, the Assi Lariat. It's double. I have a 2-tone. I really enjoy mixing the metals together. It just gives it a different contrast. So if you don't feel like wearing a longer pair, you can wear a shorter pair, the single Assi scale earrings, and you know, you can have a nice little fun ensemble for an evening out. These are price points at $45.
And the inspiration for some of the wood pieces that you got, Shell?
The wood, I just love wood. These are antique pieces from the 1930s. I found from old chandeliers. And I used mother of pearl, which is one of my favorite stones.
Beautiful.
And with sterling silver findings and chain. And over here we have an abalone shell, which I found and got cut and drilled holes so I could bead some freshwater pearls. The abalone has these really beautiful natural nuances. It picks up light in different colors. It has natural nicks and scars in it that give it more character. To go with that, I have my mahogany, like a 70s style vintage inspired earring, just to give it a little bit of a flair, extra flair when you wear them. If you don't want to wear the earrings, these price points here are about $58, and the necklace goes for about $120. You could easily match this with some simple, you know, studded pearl earrings. And again, it's the inspiration from the water, from the ocean, that really moves me.
So Lorraine, where can our viewers find some of your beautiful pieces?
At www.tashawest.com, and I have a small collection sold at Anthropologie at their 50 Rockefeller Plaza location in New York City.
So thank you, Lorraine, and thank you for joining My Global Style. What about those nipple